G'day, I'm Dave, and today we're looking at dealing with hidden screws. In this particular case, belt sander, very common. Most common thing that goes on belt sanders is actually the belt. The belt is hidden right underneath here. Every tool is slightly different, and this is why it's always good to experiment even with tools that are garbage. Sometimes the best thing you can learn is from a garbage tool, because you got nothing to lose by taking it apart. And if you can't take it apart, sometimes you have to force it apart, and by forcing it apart, you find out what you did wrong. You find out the missing parts, the missing screws, and so on. In this case, I always like looking at, if I'm going to take a cover off, is try to follow the seam. So in this case, I see a seam all the way around, and we keep following that seam, comes all the way around. The screws for this cover are actually hidden underneath this label. So what I actually have to do is pop that label off, and I'm just using a knife and just cutting underneath the glue, and doing it slowly because I want to put the label back on when I'm done. Quite often a lot of suppliers do that merely because they don't want you getting the tool, they want you bringing it in to be repaired. And I'm showing you because I want you to repair. We've got hidden screws, try to keep you out, and you can already see there's the cover already coming off. I didn't have to do much. And there's our belt. Very easy to replace the belt, and you slide it off to one pulley and replace it. This one here is actually jammed up, and we'll be doing a video on having a look at repairing that. When the covers don't come off as they should, look for hidden screws. If you can't find the hidden screws, great place to visit is eReplacementParts.com. They've got some great schematics, and by looking at the schematics, you can actually see sometimes there's little tabs underneath. It lets you know what you have to pull off to get into it. Or be a bit patient and learn from experience the hard way where they are. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, again, leave them below, and we'll see you next video.